Hi, I'm Scott, co-founder of Personal Comfort. You asked, we listened. You wanted to see what makes up a personal comfort? So we unzipped it, opened it up, and let you take a look inside. For some, that's all you needed to see, while others were still a little skeptical. And that's okay, I would be too. So, how's it made? What's the standard of quality? How soon will my order ship? I hope to answer all of these questions and more when I invite you personally to go behind the scenes as we take a look at the care that goes into each and every personal comfort order. This is our process. The best way to show you our process is to take you from first stitch to mattress delivery. Here's an order that just came in for our most popular bed. I'm really excited to show you the process. Let's get going. Looks like we're getting the adjustable base down. Oh, thank you. Side rails. Thanks. Here are wrap rails. Our wrap rails are actually hand glued, hand carved, handmade. You can see here, this gentleman is actually putting the holes in the head section of our wrap rails for the air chambers to go through. We take very much pride in this because this is the core structure for our entire mattress. This should last 25 years. Take a look at this. This is really neat. I literally pulled this off the shelf a few minutes ago and he's hand cutting the flex head portion of our mattress right before our eyes. In front of me are the air chambers. You can see there's a few of them filled up ready for orders that are shipping out shortly. They are actually full to the maximum capacity. Why? Because we're pressure testing them before they go out. It's another step in quality control that we take one last time before these orders go out the door.
All of our fabrics are fabricated by hand and hand sewn by our expert seamstresses with years of experience.
You can see here the kind of detail that actually goes into each one of the personal comfort mattresses, especially the zipper. The zipper is so important. It allows this mattress to be fully upgradable and downgradable. Every one of our air control units is previously unpacked, tested, and meets all quality control standards. Here's an air control unit that has been repackaged after testing and has passed all quality control checks. I know that because if you look on the side, you will see the sticker to prove it. All the personal comfort foams are CertaPure certified, which means they contain no toxins. You can see here, we have the gel-infused visco and the convoluted foam. All of this foam is poured, cured into a giant block, and then it's cut down, and then we select only the best pieces of foam. You can see this one has 0 defects. It is perfect. Here you can see the quality that goes into each one of our top panels. All of this is hand sewn by our skilled seamstresses. It takes a lot of time and a lot of effort to make this perfect. So this might look interesting. We're taking the air out of the mattress. One of the quality control checkpoints is we want to make sure it looks perfect before it leaves, but in order to get it in the box, we got to take the air out. Pretty funny, huh? We've wrapped the mattress in plastic to protect the mattress so that it comes to your home in perfect condition. We're folding it up like a taco so then it can fit inside this box. We take a lot of pride in how we package our mattresses. We're we're adding the shipping labels right now, it's super important to get this right. Otherwise, this could go to someone else's home. So we double, triple, quadruple check this process because it's super important that you receive the bed that you ordered. This is one of the coolest toys we have here. You can see the order is being wrapped on the pallet perfectly. By doing this, we've taken the extra care that you need when you're shipping across the country. Here you can see our FlexHead mattress has passed all quality control. It is being loaded up on the truck as we speak by our forklift driver. He carefully places it in here to minimize any possibility of damage. Is that it? All right. Next stop, Orlando. All right, here's my favorite part. We are about to deliver the personal comfort mattress to the customer. Let's go ring the doorbell. Hello.
Hi.
Your personal comfort bed has arrived.
Wonderful. Please come on in.
Welcome.
All right.
Welcome. Come in.
Okay, let's be very careful not to damage anything. I set the head down first. You have it? I'm gonna help you slide this back, okay? Okay, clear. Let's lay it on top of the bed. All right. Looks good there. Looks good. Now we have to hook up the air control unit. That is found in one of these boxes. To do so, we're gonna have to lift the head of the mattress up. So let me do that first, and then we'll slide this underneath. All right, so we're gonna put the air control unit underneath the head of the bed and hook up the air chambers. Here's my favorite part. I get to introduce the personal comfort bed. Wanna come take a look? Sure.
I'm so excited. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Do you wanna get in, try it out?
Sure.
It's all yours. You've just seen what it takes to go from first stitch to home delivery. These happy customers are enjoying their personal comfort right now. We hope you enjoy yours.